So, hello. Yeah, I haven't done this in a while, but I thought because I just got a new table for the airport and I have the time to, might as well go over this. So, let's get started. First, I have a Singapore DC-10 in the California Here We Come livery. JC Wings, I'm pretty sure. Probably shouldn't be touching it like this, but I like it a lot, and well, I got it when I went to Taiwan, so that's pretty cool. Next, carrying on with wide bodies is a Gemini Jets 777-200 British Airways. Yeah, this thing I'm holding is a Duster, but I'm like gonna use it to a point. I wish they had painted over the windows, as most 777s have that. I've used this before, you might have seen it, and because I use it, I lost one of the main gears, but it's still pretty good. Carrying on, Lufthansa 747 new livery. I like this aircraft. Got it when I went to Taiwan as well, and most of the other ones I got in Dallas or off the website. And then there's some that I got when I went to Las Vegas. Yeah, there's nothing really wrong with it, but it's a good model. The Air Canada 7878 in the old livery. I like this. I'm pretty sure it's one of the older models I have. It looks pretty nice. I use it because my airport is based in like the northern area, so there's a good fluctuation of American and Canadian models. UPS 767-300. I got this overseas as well, and well, if anyone could exactly tell me where it's from, because I have no idea, I would appreciate that. And then I do have other models, but they're like just around. I showcase them off. I won't be using them for my airport. These are just what I'm going to be using when I rebuild my airport. So, Delta A330neo. I like this one as well, especially the mask. Show you the other side. And then I'm pretty sure that's it for my wide bodies that I'm going to be using. So this is just like an oddball Frontier A320neo. Champ, the Bronco, I guess. It's got like scratches. No, it's not on this side, but if you look right on the winglet, you can see there's like a little scratch, but I got it at a pretty good price, so I'm happy with it. Sorry for all the background noise, but here's a Delta 757-200. I really like this model. I just don't know why. It's just might be my thing for 757s. Oh, and because I haven't said it much yet, but all of these minus the DC-10 and the 767 are Gemini Jets. American A321neo. I really like the new A320 mold. The engines don't touch the ground, even though they might look like they would. I got this one when I went to Las Vegas in January. Was pretty close to flying one of these actually, but I opted for the 777. Now here's the mold that I do not like, but let me compare them. I just don't like, it looks like this one looks better than this one, but this model is really good anyways, So it's a Delta A321, which I don't understand why I have because I got the 757, and I'm more of a Boeing fan, but it's a pretty good model anyways. Moving on with probably my oldest and most beat up model, a Delta 737-900. I don't know what I did, so I guess I dented the nose, screwed up paint, it's all scratched, paint again, this side, paint, but I might use it a little bit because like the tail section is like from here to the end is pretty good still. This is also a really good model, but United 737 MAX 9. I really like the paint and the attention to detail because I've actually seen a lot of these in real life, but I don't know why it won't focus, but it's supposed to say the 737, or have the 737 markings. Yeah, good model. I have a few Maxes, so American 737 MAX 8. I use this model because I found it like more punctual from my service from Miami until they were grounded. I really like the 737 MAX engines. Here's one of my older models as well. Air Canada 737 MAX 8. Don't know what I did to the gear. But yeah, once again, attention to detail. Really nice. Yeah. My last 737, the 737 with the old livery, because I couldn't find the new one and I didn't want to order it. It's a pretty good model still, and this airframe in real life hasn't been repainted yet, so I'm happy with it. Moving on, let me just move it for more space. JetBlue Blueprint. Really like the attention to detail in this one. But yeah, as you can see, I do not treat my gears nicely. So, there's that. American Eagle E175. I've actually flown on one of these before. I happened to get an upgrade, so that was fun. But this is much better than the new molds. So, good model. I like it. The United Express E175. I have the E170 as well, which you will see. And here it is, but yeah, E170, E175. I think both are useful, as my airport is not the smallest, but not the biggest. So they both make sense in my collection. Plus, I fly them quite often, as Houston is a E175 hub, I guess. Air Canada Express E175, pretty new model. I like it. My last two is a Delta Connection CRJ 700. I've actually had one of these, but I tried to make it custom and it did not go well. I would recommend making it a bigger model. I got this in Las Vegas as well. Paint's a little chipped, but that's fine. And my last model is my newest. It's the CRJ 550. I really like this new livery, and I hope to get more. But yeah, here's what my carport will soon consist of. And yep, I will do more updates as I start to build it on this table. Thanks for watching, and peace.